Hello, the Adam and Val World Tour continues. Where have we flown in from today? We have flown in from Hong Kong. Now, I think we've been to Hong Kong, or Adam has. I don't know how to use the camera. Anyway, that actually says Hong Kong. This is a chrysanthemum tea drink. Now, I'm not a big fan of them Lipton iced teas. I would imagine it's going to go down that route, but it's going to taste of flowers. Specifically, a chrysanthemum. If you know how to say that, chrysanthemum. It's a big flower. It looks a bit like that picture there. I think you get pink ones and as well. So from a personal point of view, I'm not holding out much hope, but that's because I don't like cold tea. There's nothing on the ingredients. Again, I can understand the writing. It's going to tell me what it is. It just says chrysanthemum tea drink. Ingredients, chrysanthemum extract. That's the first ingredient. So we'll have a taste. See how we get on with this. And this is all the way from Hong Kong. Oh, it's like, oh, I'm going to have another sip so you can see the colour of it in the straw. Oh, but it's not nice. It tastes like flowers. So, in all fairness, it's not false advertising. If you want to eat a chrysanthemum, eat one because it will taste like this drink. They've done really, really well to get that chrysanthemum flavour extract, but it's not for me. It's clear liquid. Sorry, but it's clear liquid. You pour that into a glass, it's going to look like just a weak squash or something. If flower flavoured drinks are your bag, get one of these from Hong Kong because I'm sure they'll be right up your street. But for me, that's a no-go. It's not my cup of tea at all. Not my cup of tea. It's a tea drink, but it ain't for me. Subscribe to Adam and Val and see where we go to next. I don't know where he's off to. Our air miles are going up through the roof.